The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
See tight this. Where then there? Camel in a road. See the people. Camel in a road in a Jamaica. Camel going across the road.
Serious?
Camels.
In a Jamaica?
Can you imagine this? Two big old camel. And where them a go?
Yo.
Two big old camel. See one in front of me. Two big old camel.
In a Jamaica?
Two big camels. Hey, oh, yo. Yeah, trust me. Welcome to Jamrock. Welcome to Jamrock.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, before I talk about any videos that I'm presenting in this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want to give shout outs to persons like Princess B, Tafari Francis, Malana Black, Ray Spence, Ransford McLean, and each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. I would love to give shout outs to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, but you don't know, time is against me, But anyways, viewers and subscribers, in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are out on social media, and these videos are being talked about on social media. You see, I just presented to you a video, and that video is out on social media where it is said that camels had been spotted within the country of Jamaica. Yep, according to what had been said about this video on social media, and according to some of the things that I heard in this video as well, I get the understanding that it is said that camels had been seen in the country of Jamaica, crossing the road too. Now, viewers and subscribers, I do not have any confirmed information about that video, if it is true that camels have been spotted within the country of Jamaica, and I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this had happened. But however, I'm just telling you what had been said about this video on social media, and to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, now anyways, viewers and subscribers, I am going to present to you pieces of videos that I put together, and these pieces of videos are out on social media where it is said that places within the country of Jamaica flooded due to rainfall, right? And according to some of the informations I got, this rainfall that is being talked about on social media, this rainfall said to have happened on the 23rd of August 2020. You see? To my understanding, these videos shows of places that have been flooded within St. Andrew, Jamaica. But however, I think I said this before in other videos, but there seems to be some mix up with the Kingston and St. Andrew thing, because some of the times me hear persons call some places within the country of Jamaica Kingston, right, when the place is actually within St. Andrew Parish. One thing for sure, these pieces of videos shows of places within the country of Jamaica that had flooded because of rainfall. I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the whole flooding thing within the country of Jamaica, and the following videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, so here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Just a little rain, not even for half an hour, and the entire Halfway Tree area is flooded. I mean, the drainage is so poor. Oh, look at that. Nobody can cross it. It's really bad. Really bad. Just a little rain. Look, what is almost at his knee. I'm sure there is no entrance into the giant bank. The drainage system is very poor here in Kingston, Jamaica, right in half a tree. Whoa, look at water. And
I'm not too sure which part this part of. Not too sure what up.
This is a lot. Lord, please don't want my car shut up, please.
So it's when I talk about viewers and subscribers, you know? Yeah. So them said these places flooded within the country of Jamaica due to rainfall. You see me I say? When I look at these videos, you know, I start to wonder if it's because of the new roads that have been made within the country of Jamaica make these places have been flooded or so forth, or you know, maybe the drainage system had not been built properly, or maybe the drains them clog. You see me? You know, I start to think all different things. You see me? Because, you know, looking at these videos, you know, I also remember persons on social media posting saying that you know, places within Kingston and St. Andrew flood because of, you know, the new roads that have been made, are drains clog and all these things. So, you know, when we see these pieces of videos now, those things come to memory. You see me I say? The point I try to make right now still, you know, you see me? I think the government of Jamaica need to take a look into this, because, you know, if the place flood and rain no fall for a long time, according to some of the things that a person said in one of these pieces of videos. However, this is not no joking thing, you know, because, you know, floodings can really and truly do great damage. It can take people's life. You understand me I say? So I think something like this need to be looked into, because where I am from, sometimes rain fall for all days. You understand? So what if Kingston and St. Andrew should get rainfall for days? You understand? Then what would have happened? Those are the things I'm looking at right now when we look at these pieces of videos. You see me I say? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, me just bring these videos to you so that you can have a look at them. You can also tell me what you think, and to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, the last piece of video that I'm going to present to you right about now, according to what has been said about it on social media, is that this video shows females who have been arrested by police officers, and these females are in a jail cell and they are singing. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I do not have any information as to why these persons had been detained or arrested. That's what I'm saying to you. But however, you know, this video shows these females singing and they seem happy. You know what I mean? The thing is though, viewers and subscribers, really and truly, this video is out on social media and it's getting a buzz, you know. I'm bringing it to you so that you can see it for yourself, alright? It's a little blurry, you know, maybe it's because the jail cell dark and so forth, but however, you know, it's just to let us see what's going on. So take a look and observe.
Prison not a better road. Liberty makes me strong. I wish that child would come and protect us back in town. Yes, I swear. Listen, we would be a better them. Yes, I swear. All of them can.
Well, viewers and subscribers, I guess, you know, wherever you are, just be happy. Just see it, you know, really and truly, you know, this short piece of video is really somewhat amusing to me. Like me, I look upon it and me, I said to myself, say, they're in the jail cell and they're singing. They're singing. Yeah, I guess, you know, I don't know. Really and truly. I'm not going to really comment too much on this one, really and truly. I feel good to know that, you know, wherever these persons are, they can find happiness. Yeah? So I say to you, big up and respect to these females. Big up and respect to them. You see it? You see it. Yeah, and don't get arrested again either. Alright? No, don't do that to yourself. Alright? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Viewers and subscribers, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about these pieces of videos that I presented to you. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So, yeah. Big up each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, I'm out. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall, Skilla Entertainment.